How to apply and remove large nail charms. Use a generous amount of the best-selling jewelry gel Stay Put Jelly. Place charm, remove excess gel from the sides and cure for 60 seconds. Seal the edges and fill in gaps with the 2-in-1 Seal It Up pen. Cure for 60 seconds and finish with gel top coat. Now let's remove them. Use a nail cutter to clip off nail charms. If removed carefully, you can reuse charms. To remove the gel extension tip, use a clipper to cut it down. File off most of the gel for easier soak off. Soak in acetone for 15 to 20 minutes and gently scrape off any gel residue. Wipe with alcohol, apply cuticle oil, and you're done.